Yay, Sunny team. Welcome to your fourth workout in our S.M.A.R.T series. Today, we are gonna work with R, relevant. With me, your trainer, Eloisa. Before we get started, make sure you have that mini stepper set up, towel, water, and you have that space clear. All right, team, let's go. Welcome back, Sunny team. As I mentioned in the intro, today we are gonna be working with R, relevant steps. Relevant, one thing that's very relevant to our body is our core. So this workout, we are gonna focus on that core. All right, team, let's get started. We're gonna start by shaking everything out, letting it go right now, anything that's not in this room, anything that is not relevant right now. What is not relevant? What your boss said. What is not relevant? The work you have to do. What is not relevant? The thing that your partner said. None of that is relevant. The thing that your friend said. It's not relevant to right now. Right now, we are working out and we are learning about S.M.A.R.T steps. Inhale, I'm gonna stay present. Exhale, distractions. Inhale, only what's relevant in this room right now. Exhale, all those irrelevant things. I wonder how many times I'm gonna say relevant during this. You are walking it down. It is a slow walkout. Light bend in your knees. You put those hands on the ground. We walk it all the way out. Spread those legs, push up down towards that ground. Inhale, up towards that sky. Exhale, down. Push through the ground, walk it up. We are gonna do this 3 times, which means we have 2 more left. Your hands do not have to go up if you don't. Again, walk it down slowly. This is our stretch, using that core as you inhale. Exhale down. We are stretching our core because we will be using it. Today, we are gonna be working with that core. Then we are gonna step on that mini stepper and then do 1 more core workout. 15 minutes. We can do 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 1 more time down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Push through your legs. Take it to your knees. They should be about hip width apart. One way to find it. Together. And then our hands, wrists under shoulders. A way to find that, our middle fingers, they touch. Our body's so cool, it's anatomy. You open it up. You're gonna inhale up towards that sky. Exhale, send your belly button towards your spine. Inhale up, that is your cow. I always like to say this is your scared Halloween cat. You are not a scared Halloween cat. This is the only time you're allowed to be afraid. Now, fear finds us all. It's fighting through that fear that helps us. And 1 more. Inhale up, exhale down. Push through the ground. You are going into a bear pose. You are hovering it here. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Again, we are still warming up that core. 3, 2, 1. Take it to your knees. You're gonna do that 1 more time. And here we go. If you need to stay on your knees, that is more than fine. Listen to your body. Look lightly in front of you. I will look at the camera just because I'm talking to you, but stay lightly in front of you. And take it down. We are gonna take it to our butts, aka our glutes. You're gonna inhale up towards that sky, grab your left wrist, drop those shoulders, exhale to the side. Stretch out that core a little bit, those obliques. And inhale up, football arms, exhale back, breathe. And 1 more, inhale up, opposite arm. We're not gripping it, I'm not ripping my arm over. It's just helping pull it a little bit. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Our first move on our core that's very relevant to us doing, it is a plank on our mini stepper. I want you to hold it. The wider my legs, the easier it is. The closer, the harder it is. Light bend in those elbows, don't straighten them. Hold it right here. Try not to have your stepper go up and down. If you need to take it to your knees, take it to those knees. Listen to your body. Listen, again, I'm gonna say relevant a lot before I go over it. Listen to what's relevant right now. Right now in your body. How does your body feel? What is going on in that body? Inhale, exhale. You got this. Again, try and keep that mini stepper balanced. That will help tell you if you're leaning to one side or the other. Because sometimes when we're doing plank, we lean to the one side or the other. Right here, that balance shows us that we are fully balancing and we got this. I also just love plank because it stills us. That stillness, we can learn so much. calm. 3, 2, 1. Take it to your back. Your back is gonna stay on the ground. Legs are gonna come to a reverse tabletop. Your back's on the ground. You can put your hands on your lower pelvic muscles. We are gonna toe tap down towards the stepper and up, down and up. Use your core on this. You should feel that lower core engaged right here. Tap it down and up. Breathe. You got this. These are just light taps. We are starting that core engagement. 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna step up. Mini stepper time, yay! So we are gonna start with a steady step. So slow, right here. Core engaged, tailbone down, belly button towards that spine. Use your arms. So our core is so important to our body. Get a lot of people asking me, how do you build a six-pack? I don't have a six-pack. It's not about building a six-pack. It's about keeping our core strong because our core protects so much of our body. It is like our castle wall. We want to make it strong for that purpose. Everybody has abs and they are beautiful and they are perfect, but we want to make them strong to protect that core. We're going to take it to that quick step right here. Tailbone down, bend those knees a little bit, core still tight, because also our core is our gut feeling. Our core is so relevant to our body. It is our gut feeling. It is what we feel when something is wrong or something is right. Keep that quick step going. Here we go. You got this. So on your SMART steps, I want you to find something that is relevant to you. So we've gone over the rest of it. Is it attainable? Is it measurable? Is it specific? But is it relevant to you? Is it something you want to do? Or is it relevant to somebody else? Is it somebody else's dream? You need to find your why. What is your why for doing this? How is this relevant to your overall goal in life? Find that. A lot of times we make goals because other people want us to do it a certain way. We're not doing this now. What is relevant to you? What is something you want to do? We're gonna take that slow step, steady step. As we take it that steady step, I want you to picture yourself, that person that's in your mind, like literally see yourself taking a slide down all the way to your heart. Yes, I know, sounds fun. That person is sliding all the way down to your heart. Find in your heart what is relevant to your why. What is relevant to what you want to do? And how can you find that? How can you make sure? This is why we make SMART goals. So we can make sure they are everything we want to do. They are important for us. They are exactly what we want to do, where we want to go. Stay here. We are gonna quick step now for 45 seconds, and then we are gonna hold a squat. That squat, make sure that core is fully engaged. And those glutes are down. Here we go, quick step, really fast. Let's go. Quick, quick, quick. When we are moving quick, I said these are the other ones. When we are moving too quick, sometimes we listen to other people and we don't do what's actually relevant to us. We don't do something we really want to do. We're like, oh, society says I have to do this. I've got to do this kind of job. Well, is that relevant to your heart? Is that relevant to your soul? Find your soul's purpose, because that is what the world needs. The world needs somebody that's alive. That's what part of your goal is. So if you could comment in that section, what is relevant to you and why this goal is something that you want to accomplish for your life's goal. Mine, the 400 feet. If you've not taken my other classes, you should. I love the water and I love holding my breath. That is why it's relevant. It is something I want to do. Take it down to that squat. Send those glutes back. There is a light hinge. Bend. Make sure those knees are not coming over those toes. Shoulders back. Core is engaged. And sit it down as low as you can go. If right here is as low as you can go, that's totally cool. Keep this steady. Again, if we're going left to right, it's the same as the plank. No, no, no. We hold it for 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Quick step. Let's go. Move it out. Go, 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 go. Keep it right here. Breathe into your body. Inhale, exhale. Remember, whatever your heart is saying, that person that slid down, whatever that is saying, That is important. Don't let anybody tell you, no, that's not relevant to life. Again, every time I say relevant, you should have to do squats. I'm gonna start taking that number. How many times have I said it, like a million? Yeah. For 3, 2, 1, and sit it down. Again, send those glutes back. Breathe into you, make sure those knees are not over the toe. Core is engaged. Yes, this seems like just a leg workout, but it is also a core workout. And push through those legs. One more time. Here we go. We are here for 15 minutes. We are getting that heart rate up. Go, go, go. Yes, you can. You are powerful. Hey, guess what? You're powerful, you are strong, you deserve your why. You deserve that goal. You deserve one, specific, measurable, attainable, and relevant. My goal might be specific, I might be able to measure it, it might be attainable, but it might not be something I want to do. That is where relevant comes in. Is it relevant to your life? And if it's not, then you make a new goal. There's nothing wrong with making a new goal. In 3, 2, 1. There's also nothing wrong with squatting down. Inhale, exhale. You got this. Hey, you gotta do it one more time. 1. If you've not taken my last class, please take it. I'm on a 4 kick. Breathe. 2 and 1. Push through those legs. Last one. Let's go. Here we go. This one we're cutting it down. You're only here for 20 seconds. So as fast as you can for 20 seconds. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, you can. I'm powerful. I am strong. I am worthy. I am worthy of the life I want. I am worthy of what my dreams are. Yes, 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 you are. Because you need to be that person that comes alive for 3, 2, and 1. Again, send those glutes back. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Yes, you can. 3. Nope, now it's 3, 2, 1. Push through those legs. Quick water break if you need. Breathe into your body, shake it out. So, my goal with these SMART goals was to teach you about how to make goals while we were doing the mini stepper, so we got kind of a walk and talk in. And as you can see, there's jacks on the floor. How is that relevant to getting a workout in and also doing the mini stepper? Well, I'm going to show you. Sometimes we may think something's not relevant. We may push it aside because we are moving too fast on that quick step. We may push it aside and be like, that's not relevant to me, that's not important to me. But maybe it is in some way. We are taking it to that plank position. If you do not have jacks, which you probably don't, you are tapping it right here. This is how this is relevant. I am using my core right here. Sometimes having fun helps us in life. It's a game. It helps us not think. It helps us find out, is that small thing relevant? Now here's the fun part. My left hand is a lot harder to do. So the relevance is I try harder. I try to learn it. We try and learn different things. We learn how things are relevant to our life. Walk it up for me all the way. Something fun. Sometimes as we get older, you're walking it down. We may think something fun is not relevant. We may think playing around is not important. Walk it in again. But it is. That funness is not a word. That fun helps us get out of our mind. And that out of our mind is where we find that presence, where we find our heart, that childlike spirit. That is why I brought up the slide, is because that childlike spirit is where we can find out what is really relevant to our life. Again, you're gonna hold it right here, that relevancy. Like I said, if you have jacks, try this at home. It is relevant to my core engagement. Yeah, I know. You might not know what is relevant. Remember that. I may think it's not. You may have seen this and be like, hey, why is it on set? Because there is relevancy, that's not a word, in everything. Look, and sometimes, even if something's relevant and important, we mess up, and that is totally fine. You saw me drop it on that left hand. You are inhaling up towards that sky, just like we did seated. Pull it to the side to stretch that core out. Find your why at this step. This step is the one where you can find the why. And open to those football arms, send it back, engage your core. All the way up, grab it. Because you might have to start over on those steps. It might not be part of your bigger picture, which is totally cool. Or it might be, just like jacks are part of a workout. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it out. Always shaking it out, why not? We are gonna inhale what's important to us, what our goal is, and no judgment. Inhale, this is what's important to me. Exhale, judgment. We are gonna inhale that childlike spirit that helps us find that joy. Inhale, childlike spirit. Exhale, judgment. Fun and games. Inhale, I can always play around in some way and find that smile. Exhale, anything else you have to let go? Thank you so much, Sunny team, for joining me for this workout. Please like, subscribe, ring that bell. We have wonderful workouts all the time. Thank you so much. Can't wait to see you for the tea. If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to join me on the SunnyFit app. We have amazing premium programs, challenges, amazing community, and many more workouts. What I teach is running and rowing a lot of the times. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in our bio. Amazing trainers, amazing people. You're gonna learn so much, and hey, it's free. Why not do it?